So, what are the existing hypotheses on how Patomskiy Crater formed? The first hypothesis which meteorite impact scientists came up and which we can immediate discount suggests that a very dense iron meteorite struck the area and got buried 100 or 200 meters beneath the crater. This can be disproven by the fact that rocks underlying the crater are less not more dense, a lack of magnetic anomalies, and the general fact that small-scale meteorites do not form craters that look like Patomskiy Crater. The second hypothesis suggests that Patomskiy Crater is a mud volcano, but this also runs into a few obvious problems. Signs of mud and mud volcanism are nowhere to be found, and as one expert I mud volcano asked told me, mud volcanoes don't tend to occur in isolation as they generally occur in clusters. And yet, Patomskiy Crater is truly an isolated feature. The third hypothesis is that Patomskiy hydrothermal explosion crater is actually a cryovolcano which formed via an explosion of natural gas released by thawing permafrost. While this theory is plausible as it would explain the elevated levels of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide found in the emplaced limestone, this doesn't seem to work because the permafrost is still continuous in this part of Russia today. The fourth hypothesis suggests that a hydrothermal explosion occurred here due to a drop in pressure on a natural and non-volcanic fault-related hot spring. The problem is, no evidence of a hot spring which could have triggered this has been found. Another possibility is that there were no explosions at Patomskiy Crater, and that salt diapir instead the crater was formed by the uplift of limestone related to one or more salt diapirs. The problem with this possibility is that no other similar features have been found nearby. Thus, phreatic eruption we come back again to the idea that a volcanic eruption formed this feature, specifically a phreatic one which did not erupt any lava. While technically existing just outside of the Lake Baikal Rift, in my opinion it exists in close enough proximity to this province that rift-related volcanism could theoretically occur here. It has been suggested that a deep carbonatite or phonolite magma chamber exists which sent heated geothermal fluids enriched in rare earth elements to the surface which then flashed to steam and exploded. Which of these ideas do you think is correct? Do you have a theory of your own? Be sure to let me know in the comment sections below. As a final note, I would like to thank my new YouTube channel member Farmer83 for supporting my work.